Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all of them unmarked and in excellent condition. We also have the Portimao blue metallic paintwork, the LED headlights and the two black kidney grills at the front. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter and the side skirts. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel along with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae, and we also have the rear spoiler. Coming around to the rear, you'll find the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust and the gloss black rear diffuser. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's come around now, let's take a look at the interior. So in the back first, in here you'll find the full leather interior, cream in colour. We also have the fixed ISO points just down there, the foldable armrest in the centre. We also have some separate climate control for the rear passengers, the vents just there. On the doors you'll find the brushed metal handle, the electric windows and the ambient lighting. Now in the front you'll find the same full leather interior, however these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Onto the doors, the same brushed metal handle, the electric windows which are for the rear, the electric mirrors. We also have the auto lights just down there, and there's a little look at the ambient lighting. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on both sides. We also have the likes of cruise control and speed limiter. If we take a seat inside, you may have noticed just here we have the auto wipers. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the car will start up for us. Let's just turn the radio down. So as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Moving over into the centre console, you'll find the main infotainment screen with the likes of sat-nav. We also have a range of media, so we have the radio just here, but we also have Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio and screen mirroring. We also have the phone connectivity just here. If we go onto the home, you find all of these options here, so let's go onto apps. Here you find all of the installed apps on this car. If we go back onto home, go into car, go into settings. Here you'll find the ambient lighting. So if we go over to interior, here's the ambient lighting, where you can change whichever colour you think looks best. We also have the different drive modes, so we have Eco Pro, we have Comfort and we have Sport. This also changes the dials on the dashboard, so that's Sport, that's Comfort and that is Eco Pro. Back over into the centre, if we press this button, you'll find the Intelligent Safety. Now we also have reversing cameras, so if we put the car into reverse, there's the reversing camera and the parking sensors. Just put it back into park now though. So further down you'll find the air conditioning and the climate control, so let's turn that down in case it's a bit noisy. Here we have some radio shortcuts. We also have some storage space inside of here, where you'll find the USB ports, 12-volt connectivity, two good sized cup holders and a little bit of storage space, but that can be closed off just like so. We have the gear stick. We also have some shortcuts for the infotainment screen and the different drive modes. We have the auto hold button and the electric handbrake. We also have the nice leather armrest, which can be opened up for extra storage, and inside of there you'll find a Type-C USB port. But that's everything that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.